What is up, beautiful babes? Sweet Angel in the building. Girl, I am back. Listen, oh, I never went anywhere, did I? But y'all, today's video was one that I almost did not. I almost didn't post this one because the item that I'm talking about today, which is the BCAN Trampoline, I needed it because I wanted to start working out using a trampoline. And I want to thank them for partnering with me and sending it on over to me. So today I decided to get it all set up, unbox it, and all of that jazz. Y'all, when I saw what I knew and I know I need to work on in this video, and you will see it too because I am posting this video. If you're watching this right now, you know I'm posting it. Y'all, I was like, girl, you need this and a whole lot of other workout equipment. I was so upset with myself. And I know we got excuses. We're over 60. We're postmenopausal. We got the menopausal midsection going on, but girl, I'm tired of it, and I'm so tired of it, and I'm so tired of it. I'm giving her an eviction notice. Okay, all of that got to go. I don't care if you call me a crackhead or whatever. This weight has got to go. And again, I want to thank BCAN Trampoline for helping me start this process of my weight loss. But listen, I am going to set it up outside because, hey, that's where I've been hanging out at. And we're going to do this today. So let's talk about my new toy that's going to help me out, y'all. So listen, if you've been thinking about adding something fun, effective, and even compact to your routine, look at this. And look no further. This video right here is your sign to check out the BCAN 40-inch foldable mini trampoline. Seriously, when I opened this box, listen, I felt like a kid again, but it's made for me or even you, because I think you need to check it out too. It's going to be fun. I know this is. So first off, it was easy to unbox and even to set up, y'all. Just check it out. For the most part, it comes pre-assembled, which means less fuss, more action. And the material, look here, you're getting upgraded 3mm steel and solid stainless steel springs. That means this thing is built to bounce. It's been tested for thousands of jumps, so you know it's not just a one and done kind of deal. Now, you're going to see me put this together, but I wanted to go ahead and just let you know about the handlebar. It has 4 adjustable levels. Whether you're petite or tall, you'll find your fit. It adds the perfect amount of support while you jump it out, especially if you're just starting your fitness journey or simply want more stability. And let's be real, space is a thing. I'm putting mine outside, but this mini trampoline folds down to 1/4 its size, so you can tuck it under your bed, slide it behind the couch, or even stash it in your car trunk. No bulky eyesore here, just convenience that actually fits your life. Now, here's the kicker. The bounce. It's strong, it's stable, it's fun. The 32 closed springs give you just the right amount of resistance so every jump feels controlled, safe, and smooth. Whether you're doing light cardio, rebounding, or just getting in your steps while watching TV, this baby gets the job done. And I'm glad, I don't have to overthink my workouts anymore. I don't need a fancy gym or tons of space. I just need something that makes moving feel good. And that's what this trampoline delivers. And BCAN stands behind their products. I love a brand that stands behind their products. I do. So if you're ready to make fitness fun again, y'all, check me out. Check me out. Oh my gosh. So embarrassing, but so real that I have to get on top of my game for real. Y'all need to give this BCAN Foldable mini trampoline a try. You'll be surprised how something so simple can become your new go-to. And yes, it's on Amazon, and I'm so glad to share this with y'all. Listen, BCAN, you did your big one on this one, and this big girl is about to do her big one on it too, because y'all, I'm gonna be out here every day jumping around on this thing. And y'all, that's if I get a chance to do it, because my granddaughter Royal is excited about it as well. Girl, I'm excited. Y'all check me out. Wait, gotta go. It's gotta go. And BCAN is gonna help me do it. This trampoline is my new best friend. I'm out of here, y'all. Thanks for visiting. Thanks for hanging out. Don't be a stranger. Please drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment if you plan on getting one of these, or if you ever did trampoline workouts for weight loss or just health-wise. Y'all, I'm excited. I'm super excited. So let me get my workout routines in, and I will see y'all in the next video. Take care, beautiful babies. Bye-bye.
I'm walking this road, but it's wearing me thin. Every step I take feels like I'm caving in, carrying the weight of what's not even mine. I'm losing my rhythm, I'm running out of time. Oh, I'm not your crutch.